Namaskar. My name is Megha Sitpura. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Extension and Communication, Faculty of Family and Community Sciences, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, Vadodara. I participated in the first online refresher course in social sciences organized by the UGC HRDC Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad during 28 September to 11th October 2020. During this refresher course, subjects under social sciences were covered, which ranged from gender, economics, psychology, sociology, ICT and new media, media and technology with society, UGC and InfluNet, its efforts for higher education, and many more. And these all subjects were taken up by very efficient and knowledgeable experts from their subject domain. I therefore like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Professor Joshi, Director UGC HRDC, and his efficient team to coordinate and invite such an a range of experts from different subject areas. The staff of UGC HRDC has been very cordial, helpful, and supportive during the entire course, and this was due to under the able leadership of Professor Joshi, the director HRDC. During this course, I also got an opportunity to interact, to learn, and to be into the network with the participants of various streams and areas of Gujarat as well as outside Gujarat, and I could get an opportunity to interact with the experts. I really want to thank Professor Joshi and his team for selecting me as a participant of the first online refresher course in social sciences. This has really enriched my knowledge and developed certain skills in the field of social sciences. I once again like to thank each and everyone who has been instrumental to organize successfully this refresher course in social sciences. Thank you so much.